'Twas a requiem mass that he prayed that day, for the spirit of justice had late passed away. And he spoke to the people who'd gathered to pray just before his own blood was spilled. They can kill me, but the voice of justice will never be stilled. He raised the chalice high in the air, that the blood of redemption was for all to share. He was like a reed in the wind standing there, then a gunshot drowned out the bells. Wine and blood on his vestments were mixed as he fell. So pray for us, Father Romero, that soon this madness be done, that justice return, and that we learn it's not from the end of a gun. In the still of the night, down an old farm town road, some soldiers disposed of a burdensome load. In 4 shallow graves were the seeds that they sowed, 4 American women were found. Murdered and hidden accusations lie beneath the ground. These were our sisters who'd taken a stand to work with the poor in a neighboring land, and for this they were murdered by soldiers' command, while the governments both turned away. For the search had come too near the truth of what happened that day. So tell me now, good people, can you stand idly by while the country we love donates the guns by which so many more will die? When refugees jumped in the river to cross, women and children, old people were tossed, their loved ones, their land, and their liberty lost. Then the gunners swept down from the sky. Hundreds were shot in the water and left there to die. And today, throughout the countryside, bombs make no distinction among those who hide. The death squads continue with their genocide, while the world turns its eyes away. And the lifeline of arms from the north goes on day after day. So tell me now, good people, can you stand idly by while the country we love donates the guns by which so many more will die? And pray for us, Father Romero, that soon this madness be done, that justice return, and that we learn it's not from the end of a gun.